Hello, I'm Gary Patterson, corporate chef here with McCormick for Chefs, and today we're going to demonstrate a Smoky Michelada beer cocktail that's featuring our Old Bay hot sauce. So we're going to start out by making a little bit of spicy rimmer for the glasses, and it's going to start out with a little bit of kosher salt and some ground chipotle pepper. And we're just going to mix this quickly with a spoon. You can do a larger batch in a bowl with a whisk. And then we're just going to spread this out in a plate so we can take and rim the glass with it. So for rimming the glass, we're going to take and just rub it with a little bit of a lime wedge, which will make a nice garnish. So mixing the michelada is very easy. So it just starts out with some tomato juice, a little bit of honey, and the honey really complements the chipotle that's going to be in here. A little bit of lime juice, some Old Bay hot sauce, gives it a nice fermented pepper and Old Bay kick, some French's Worcestershire sauce, some ground chipotle, and some soy sauce. This is loaded with umami. So we're going to mix this up with a spoon. You could actually do this in a larger batch if you wanted to. And we're going to split this between the two glasses. And it's a nice base. Pour it over the ice. Split pretty evenly. We're going to drop a little garnish in here as well. You can make it vegetarian, or you can give it some spicy meat. And then just a nice amber beer. Gives you a nice layered drink. You can always serve it with the rest of the beer. There you go. Smoky Michelada blended with Old Bay hot sauce, some smoked chipotle. Great on a summer day.